Evening, everybody. It is Bobby Two Pops Brace. On Wednesday, April the 6th, we are breaking Hit Parade Triple Play. It is one box, but 3 items inside. It is a jersey, a baseball, and a photo. Randomed up our last 2 boxes, which were 4 and 87. We got number 4, random teams on this one. On your right, we have already randomized teams, customers, alphabetized, everybody. Gave you all a chance to trade. Had a couple offers, but nobody's trading. So here we go. We are going to pop your seal. Let's get everything in the back of our box there so we can grab our items one at a time. Let's grab our dang photo. Bam. Bam, bam. Looks like an A's uniform there. Juanis Cepedas. Guys, JSA certification. That is going to Oakland. Alright, here we go. Gonna grab our basketball. Not our baseball, sorry, not our basketball. Well, I think we pulled his jersey, guys, in our last box there. Do believe that's going to be Johnny Damon. Yes, sir. Not inscribed or anything now, guys, so let me see what team that's going to go to. Alright, guys, our final hit here is our jersey. Well, guys, that is your SIG 90 NL Cy Young winner, going to be a Doug Draybeck, folks. Going to be a Pittsburgh Pirates hit on the Draybeck. Well, I'd say just an okay box there overall, guys. Nothing major, nothing too bad, though. Believe it or not, don't think I've ever pulled a Draybeck before. Out of all these damn years, don't think I've ever once pulled a Draybeck jersey. Alright, let's see who got our hits there. Well, Lone Star getting the jersey there. Oakland and the photo. Well, gonna be a Drew hit in the photo. Let me just check the Damon guys. Yep, gonna be a Royals hit on that one. Gonna be SD on the ball, folks. 6 years with Royals, 4 with Yankees, 4 with Boston. So ball is going to SD. So that's going to wrap up that one boxer, guys. I got one more box of this stuff, and that is the last box of the series. They are sold out on site, guys, so won't have any more of the triple play until they restock. That is our last triple play there. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, and Twitch, 8 p.m. Central. Love you, 2 Pops. Breaks. Y'all have a good one.